Gold investing. 5 reasons why gold will spike this month. Is it too late to buy now? After watching this video until the end, you're gonna know my gold price targets in the future. Welcome to World Traveling Millionaire Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. Where are you watching from? Comment down below. Gold is now 5,171. It pulled back a little bit, but I think it could break out pretty soon. It's facing really great resistance. Once it breaks out, hey, we are looking at new price targets. What is more important than gold price spiking is your income, our income. They also have to spike so that we can enjoy our life. We don't have to worry about our job and we can travel around the world. Right now, from March 2nd to March 6th, 5 trading days, I made around $3,000. So this is a realized gain. So the money comes into the pocket. And from the beginning of the year, January 1st to March 6th, so it's about 2 months. Usually only 20 days. Saturdays are public holidays, so you could say it's only 40 to 45 days, right? So my income, net profit, is over $71,000. So that's really good, right? Most people, they don't make that a lot in 1 year. So you could literally just make money like this the first 2 months and just disappear and travel around the world, enjoy your life, and you don't even have to work for anybody. Just spend 1 to 3 hours a day. Hey, you could do that. Do you want to do that? If you want to do that, comment down below. So, reason number 5, the gold price could go up this month is Operation Epic Fury. As you may already know, US-Israel war broke out, and it could take longer, right? Even though President Trump said it could be finished within a few days, it's still going on right now. So remember, war is not certain. It can, any other parts of the world can happen. So if this gets worse, people are gonna be afraid. They're gonna be, oh, you know what? I want to buy gold. So this is reason number 5 for the gold demand. So they rather have gold than other stuff, right? In case of emergency. And because of war in Middle East, the oil prices spiked too. Oil futures jumped over 12% within 1 day. 5 days jumped 38.31%. 1 month 41.81%. Year to date 59.23%. That's a lot. So when oil price goes up, gold price they tend to go up. So this is reason number 4. And I don't see oil price coming down pretty soon. It could be over 100. That's what they're saying. Right? If this war breaks out for 1 or 2 more weeks, it's definitely looking at 100 and up. So in that case, gold could be going up higher too. This is reason number 4. And reason number 3 is US employment data came out for February, just recently, I would say last week. So it came out, they lost jobs. So basically, the payroll employment fallen by 92,000. See, unemployment rate jumped to 4.4% from 4.2% in January. So February, unemployment rate is higher. Nonfarm payroll dropped, and they forecasted to be up. So, hey, what does it have to do with gold price? Of course, if labor market weakens, gold price gonna go up because Federal Reserve interest rate cuts gonna be coming soon. And when it came out, the stock market dropped on Friday, but I think that's probably good news. Longer term, because Federal Reserve is going to cut interest rate. Why would they cut interest rate? They only have 2 jobs. One is to maintain inflation, right, the price, and another one is to maintain maximum employment. They only have these two mandates. So if inflation is not getting worse and at consistent level, then they could cut interest rate. When they cut interest rate, gold price gonna go up. Why? Because US dollar gonna depreciate. Interest rate go down, US dollar gonna depreciate. Then investors they use US dollar to buy gold. So in that case, gold price gonna go up. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. But does it mean that it could go up right away? Does it mean that Federal Reserve gonna cut interest rate right away? No. Federal Reserve may probably cut interest rate next month or 2 months later. But the thing is that they don't have to cut interest rate right now for the gold price to go up. In stock markets, in commodities, cryptocurrency, whatever, people, investors, they expect, they anticipate. Remember, stock market is a very good predictor of future. Stock market anticipate 6 months, 1 year in the future. So if they anticipate a rate cut in the next 6 months, 1 year, because of this news, investors start buying gold right now. Right now, they want to do that right now. They don't want to wait. So whenever something happens, you already hear the news. You are already too late. You don't even think about taking action that time. So you always want to buy before everybody is buying, right? If you want to know what to buy, you want to know more about stock investing, call option, put option, invest option, day trading movement, stock and gold investing, subscribe to the channel. So let's go and look at reason number 1, very, very important. Massive ETF and institutional buying. Gold ETF, they saw massive inflow. Institution, they have been buying gold at the beginning of the year, since the beginning of the year. So that means that the demand is high. When the demand is high and supply is low, what's going to happen? Gold price is going to go up, right? That's very, very important. So you see all these 5 reasons support that the gold price will go up. Which reason do you think is the most important, gonna be the most impactful on the gold price? Comment down below. This is my gold price targets, 5450 and 5700. I want to give it to you as a gift. Of course, approval is possible before reaching those targets. But what's more important is the breakout point. This is very important. What is the breakout point? When you look at the chart, technical analysis, stock chart, cryptocurrency chart, Bitcoin chart, gold chart, whatever the chart, there's always a resistance. Right here, there's a support level. Right? What's the difference? Support is if the price goes down to the support, there are so many buyers coming in. So it's really hard to break that support. But once it breaks down, gold or whatever the security stock can go down furthermore because there is no more support. Resistance. What is resistance? Gold, they want to go up, touch again, touch second time, but they go back down. Every time they touch this level, they get back down. That becomes resistance. So resistance is very important because traders, they see, the price is getting near resistance. And I want to take profit. They keep selling at resistance. But then something really happened. Right? It can be external shock, macroeconomics, whatever. Gold price goes up above this level. Then there is no more seller. They're gonna keep buying. Gold price break out above this point. Just keep buying because it's gonna continue to go up because it already gained a momentum. So that breakout point is very, very important. So when you're trading, you also, there are probably about 2 buy points. Buy at the support level, right? So when it bounces back, then you can take profit at the resistance. Or if it breaks out above the resistance, you can buy again. right? That's another buy point. So there are 2 buy points in this case. So we're just gonna go and look at the breakout price. This case, 80 to 90% of the time, I make profits because I follow the breakout price. Day trading movement stop, very important. I always follow this rule. 80-90% of the win rate came from following one of these rules. Very important. So let's go look at this. Gold, what is the resistance and breakout? You see here, gold hit close at 5,318. Just below 5,400, it just dropped, pullback, correction. Then it just wanted to go up, but it hit right here again, 5,300. It couldn't go up, then it pulled back a little bit. So in this case, 5,400 is a very strong resistance level. So once gold breaks above 5,400, then we are looking at these prices, 5,450 and 5,700. These are my near-term gold price targets. I have a long-term gold price target as well. If you want to know more, subscribe to the channel. And you don't need to buy 5,000. Okay, you don't need to have 5,000 to buy gold. And one of the ETF or trust that I use is XAUUSD. You just need to have $97 to buy gold. Year to date, 18.91% up. 1 year, 76.62%. 5 year, triple, 200%. Look at this. So you don't need to have a lot of money. You just need to open an account. The link will be in my YouTube description comment below as well. If you have a stock brokerage account, then you can buy gold, you can buy cryptocurrency, you can buy stocks, ETF, trust, lots of things. Very important. One of the things is you can do DCA, buy high quality companies that you like every month or every week. If you don't want to look at the technical analysis, or if you don't want to be bothered with fundamental analysis, but it's really important to learn more about fundamental analysis and technical analysis because you should know what you buy, right? You don't buy because somebody tells you to do. So if you want to learn more, go to Master with Stock Option Crypto, go to playlist. You can learn more about gold investing, stock investing, call option, put option, advanced option, and day trading movement stock. If you want to reach out to me, the link will be in the description comment below as well. Share, subscribe, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.